the response is out. Like हमने सुन लिया. आपने जब वो last में खत्म हुआ एक सांस ली थी, you know, there was a sigh of relief. Tell us about that. ये journey अब teaser देख के what was going on दिमाग में आपके यहाँ पे?
I'm just very excited and happy, and it's my mom's blessings, you know, and I'm just so thankful for this opportunity, thankful to my directors, Radhika ji and Vinay ji. They always present me so beautifully from the music video I did with them, Yaad Piya Ki Aane Lagi. And I know I'm in safe hands, and I just left it to them. Jaise karna hai karo, jo karwana hai karwao, I'm all game.
Yes.
So yeah, so it's like their vision, and I'm so happy that they chose me for it, and I'm so excited.
We are also very excited. There's so much more that we'd like to, you know, ask you. But before that, we have to talk about your fashion game. You know, that style quotient. Because यहाँ पे ये देसी अवतार हो लहंगे में या वेस्टर्न अवतार हो, you are killing it and how. So वो कहाँ से inspiration आ रहा है या how are you managing all that?
I think they style me very well, and you know the styling was totally 10 बार trials करते थे फिर एक outfit choose होता था.
Okay.
तो बहुत trials की एक चीज़ पर इतना काम करते थे, hair पर, makeup पर, and like I'm so happy that I'm looking so pretty, but I think the credit just goes to them.
They are fantabulous. इस team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Can we make some more noise? Okay, Mizan, this one's for you. You have to, you know, take us through that run of yours. वो जो चल रहा है ना, क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था? Spill the beans.
So we were shooting all day on the Charni Road Bridge.
Okay.
And हमारी कुछ complications भी हुई थी वहाँ पर, where a lot of people came and they stopped our shooting. They said नहीं ये नहीं होगी, आपने ये नहीं किया है, वो नहीं किया है, whatever usual Mumbai stuff. But when we finished the scene, the last shot that we took was the running shot.
Right.
And it was a drone shot. And because their vision, the best part about them is they know exactly what they want.
Yes.
And they're not going to leave till they get that. And जब तक के Mizan भी is not in sync with the train, तब तक the shot is not approved. So we are waiting for the train. Train कब आएगी? They said अभी 5:10 की train है. अच्छा ठीक है, रुको 10 minutes. Then the train comes. Then okay, Mizan ready. I'm looking at the train. So I'm running with the train in the shot. You know, it's a drone shot. We're trying to get and Sir then adds a little more masala to it. He says that no, we need a bus also on the road to be seen. So Mumbai, because they're trying to show Mumbai in the best light, of course. I mean, it's all credit to them that वो BST बस भी दिख रही है, हीरो भाग भी रहा है बीच में, and train भी जा रही है उस तरफ से, you know, and that in a way metaphorically, which ma'am actually made me realize, also differentiates the three of our lives in the film. और हमारे जो 3 अलग-अलग किरदार हैं, किस background से आते हैं और हम किस mode of transport का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So I think that's the way they've taken the shots throughout the film, they're very metaphorical, they're very beautiful, and hats off to them, and thank you for giving me that Tom Cruise kind of a shot. I absolutely love it. It's my favorite shot in the film.
Right.
But yeah.
यहाँ पे, you know, there's another thing that we saw, that chemistry. Like Divya और आपकी वो chemistry वो एकदम cool types. थोड़ा उसके बारे में बताइए. How was it sharing
So
frames
film
with
में
her?
actually सबसे छोटा भाई मैं हूँ.
Right.
But I think the character is very unabashed. He you know, he's very free.
Yeah.
उस पर कोई बाधाएं नहीं है, कोई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ नहीं है. वो अपनी ज़िंदगी से अपने तौर तरीके से अपनी ज़िंदगी जीता है. एंड उसके सिर्फ भाई बहन है जो उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं फिल्म में. एंड you know, my relationship throughout the film you will see with my brother and my sister, with Pearl and Divya, that is. It's beautiful because it's more like friendship rather than आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि भाई बहन है, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि best friends हैं. You know, जो मस्ती करते हैं वो, जिस तरीके से बात करते हैं एक दूसरे से about their love life or their girlfriends और ये problem हो गई यार, अच्छा चल कुछ खाने करते हैं or something like that, you know. So that's the relationship that we have shown throughout the film, and I think it develops, and also as you watch the movie you'll realize that what happens eventually. But yeah, it was lovely working with them. Also, I could show that kind of a relationship because of my on-set relationship with the two of them.
Yes.
Because they're so cool and chilled out, so I was being able to do those things with them, you know. So it's hats off to the directors and the co-stars to be able to bring off that kind of a performance.
And this is super cool, whatever we've seen on the big
Thank you.
screen. Well, this one's for you. Please tell us, you know, we are talking about the cool quotient, that freshness on the big screen, जिसका हम सब बड़े दिनों से इंतजार कर रहे थे. Finally, it's there. 20th को देखने को मिलेगा, 20th October को. अभी अच्छी बातें हमने कर ली. थोड़ा मसाला दीजिए. Are these directors, you know, are they like very strict? Like कितना सब हंस रहे हैं तो देखो मसाला आने वाला है ना. सो प्लीज स्पिल द बीन्स.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सही क्वेश्चन पूछा है आपने और बिल्कुल सही बंदे से. नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा मसाला नहीं दूंगा. लेकिन दे आर स्ट्रिक्ट फॉर अ रीज़न, आई वुड से. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, अगर हमारा गुरु स्ट्रिक्ट ना हो तो बच्चे नहीं सीख पाते. मैं बता भी नहीं सकता मैंने कितनी सारी चीज़ें सीखी हैं इनसे. नॉट जस्ट अबाउट एक्टिंग, अबाउट अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, अबाउट हाउ टू पोर्ट्रे अ कैरेक्टर इन अ वे वेयर I am not like Bajju. They've made me Bajju somewhere. They think that I'm perfect for the character, but they've made me perfect for the character. That would I say. They're, I think, so far the best directors. Why I'm saying this? Because it's not about, like how Mizan said, ट्रेन के पीछे वाली ट्रेन का भी coordination proper होता था. Everything. If I'm walking also, at which pace I'm walking, at which pace camera is moving, at which pace train is running. Everything has to be in the coordination. And वो जो freshness, वो जो आप देख रहे हैं screen पर जो आपको बहुत कमाल की चीज़ देखने के लिए मिल रही है, that is because of them. So I feel blessed to have them firstly. And I feel blessed to have got this film because every character has its own charm. I feel Bajju, what I am playing the character, Bajrang, इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स हैं. मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिली इस कैरेक्टर से पर्टिकुलरली. एंड इन माई ओन पर्सनैलिटी मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें इनकॉपरेट की हैं. मैं लूज़ कपड़े खुद भी पहनने लगा हूँ. So, उसके बाद about the shaving thing, clean shave. Actually, they've given me a look, a particular look. That is Bajju. And I've started living that character, and I'm still in that character. Right now, whatever I am wearing is closer to that character. And absolutely, जो freshness है, I have never seen such freshness because honestly, it's been more than 5 years. मैंने एक भी फिल्म थिएटर में नहीं देखी क्योंकि मैंने सोचा था मेरी ही देखूंगा. This is going to be my first film. लेकिन जितनी भी फिल्में मैंने बीच में देखी, that freshness is missing. It's there in यारियां 2, and it's about siblings. मुझे लगता है cousins, basically cousins के ऊपर और friendship के ऊपर बहुत टाइम से कुछ ऐसी फिल्म आई नहीं है. And I'm really, really excited and happy, and I'm blessed to have everybody of you. My co-stars are amazing. Bhushan ji, thank you so much. And everybody out there, thank you so much, guys, for cheering for us.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Yash, this one's for you. कितनी बार लगा, of course there is so much that I'm going to ask you, लेकिन कितनी बार लगा कि मुझे वो भाई बहन वाले उसमें जाना चाहिए था? Like I wanted to be a part of that zone. Yeah.
Well, honestly, कभी नहीं लगा.
नहीं लगा?
कभी नहीं लगा. I'm very happy to be paired with Divya, opposite Divya, not as a brother.
Yes.
So I stand out there because ठीक है, अच्छी बात है, भाई बहन की कहानी है, but पति important होता है, ठीक है, you cannot really ignore that. शुरुआत में कैरेक्टर जैसा होता है, आफ्टर मैरिज लोगों को लगता है कि एक बोरिंग पति का कैरेक्टर है, तो उसमें क्या है डालने के लिए. बट दिस कैरेक्टर, माई कैरेक्टर्स नेम इज अभय, इज लोडेड विथ इमोशंस. सो जब मैं पहली बार विनय जी और राधिका मैम से मिला था, आई वाज लाइक, सर व्हाट डू यू एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डू? सो दे टोल्ड मी कि बेटा आपके ना डायलॉग ज़्यादा नहीं है, आपको आंखों से बात करना है, आपको आंखों से इमोट करना है. This character is a little tricky and it is very difficult to portray. Radhika ma'am told me that when she started writing, this was one of her favorite characters in the film. While playing it, एक actor के तरफ से हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि जितना हो सके on the table लेके आए. But while working with sir and ma'am, I saw this that these guys are like, until and unless they get perfection, आपके 25-30 retake भी हो सकते हैं, and they will make you do it. Till the time you don't perform well. So I learned a lot because normally acting में I have worked with other directors in my industry. Normally they will tell you कि आप dialogue ऐसे बोलो या ये emotion थोड़ा ठीक करो. With them I have seen कि नहीं, full body language क्या है character का. Till the time it is not perfect, वो shot okay नहीं होगा. So I've been shooting for a really long time and it has been a very long journey. And I think I'm very happy with how my character has shaped up, and I think it'll bring a certain surprise element to the film. And teaser मैंने I think आज आप सबके साथ, since मैं शहर में रहता नहीं हूँ, मैं कलकत्ता से हूँ, so आज आप सबके साथ मैंने टीजर पहली बार देखा एंड आई फील आई स्टैंड विद ऑल ऑफ देम कि नहीं द टीजर हैज़ अ सर्टेन फ्रेशनेस बिकॉज इन जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे ऑनेस्टली एक एक फ्रेम इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट कि एक डायलॉग एक एक फ्रेम वॉज सिंक्ड विद परफेक्शन एंड दैट इज़ वॉट वो सबका जब कॉम्बिनेशन हम लोग आज बिग स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं तो इट डेफिनेटली क्रिएटेड मैजिक दैट इज़ वॉट आई फील and I feel I'm really blessed working with all of them. They have been a lovely team. Initially, the first day when I went for shoot, Mizan, Divya and Pearl, they were shooting and actually they were shooting for a marriage sequence जो हम लोगों ने teaser में देखा. And I used to go to the set. हर दिन 1 घंटे में पैकअप हो जाता था. So I used to just chill around with all of them and have fun and come. But वहाँ से हम लोग की भी journey शुरू हुई and with this film, it's a chemistry that I share with Mizan, with Pearl, and of course Divya is playing my wife, so of course there's a chemistry there. You have to look out for that. उसके बारे में ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा. But thank you honestly, thank you Vinay sir, thank you Radhika ma'am, thank you to all my co-actors. Divya के साथ मेरे ज़्यादातर scenes है तो she has been really supportive because dialogues करना है, lines करना है, चलो rehearse करते एक बार बोल लेते. She has been really supportive. Thank you Divya for that. And Bhushan ji and Shiv, thank you so much. For making me a part of this film. Thank you guys.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.